Hey everybody, this is Dan. This is a short video to help update you in stats. This is fall 2013, and I am going to the National Math Conference on this Thursday. That would be the 31st, Halloween, and we will not be having face-to-face class, but I want to point you in the right direction for all the online things you should be doing in lieu of class this week. So if we go under course content, I've uploaded the chapter 4 through 6 exam. Under tests, fall 2013, you'll find there's the test, the solutions, and a video going over those. So I encourage you to take some time and go over that. And if you have any questions after viewing those, we can definitely go over those. If you go under course content, we're well into chapters 7 through 9. And if you haven't been to class to get a formula sheet, I'd encourage you to get the formula sheet and also the T-table, which is new as well. There's some videos on how to read the T-table and all those things. And make sure you get I'm going to open that PDF. We've talked about confidence intervals so far for means and confidence intervals for proportions, just one sample each. And we've begun to talk a little bit about hypothesis testing. We'll continue that this week. So by the end of this week, we'd like to have hypothesis tests and confidence intervals for one sample kind of figured out. And that would be T-test right here and the Z-test one right here. And to help with that, obviously we'll have class on Tuesday this week, but on Thursday, and if you need a follow-up with anything we're covering, if you go under course content, chapters 7 through 9, and then there's a folder called videos from chapters 7 through 9, and there it is, videos over inference with proportions. So these would be awesome. And I've even got an old office hour recording that talks about me talking through these problems. I've posted several 4 videos that are all about confidence intervals and hypothesis testing with one sample proportion. So if you watched all of those, it would total only like 45 minutes if you watched all those and then the recording too. So that would be well worth an hour of your time there. And then the same thing here, if we go back to videos over inference with means, same thing. I've got an office hour recording. I got confidence interval for mean, and a very similar format here. So confidence intervals and hypothesis tests with those two. As we move forward, if you feel comfortable with those and you want to move forward, if we go back to the course content here, I guess chapter 7 through 9, videos. If you go here, then this is with two means and proportions, and then this is videos on how to use the formula sheet and tables. So for those of you that have not been able to see how to use the T-table or the formula sheet, there's a nice little helpful video on how to find T-critical values, how to use the T-table. There's a short video I've made on how to do that. So I would encourage you to do that as well. So while I'm gone, take another look at proportions, means, and the tables, and then we'll finish next week with 2 sample means and 2 sample proportions, which is chapter 9. So hope that helps. I will be available online as well if you shoot me any questions, and I would encourage you also to attend the online office hour Tuesday night at 9 o'clock. And you do want to stay ahead of this because this is probably, as far as the topics in this course, these are the most critical ones, chapter 7 through 9. So I'll see you in class on Tuesday. Talk to you then.